Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to replace an Ecosport headlight. First, gather your essential tools: a flathead screwdriver, a 10mm socket wrench, and your new headlight bulb. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged for safety. Then, simply open the hood and identify the specific headlight assembly you need to work on. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's remove the old headlight. Begin by disconnecting the electrical connector. Just press the small tab and gently pull it away from the bulb. Next, you'll need your 10mm socket wrench to remove the two bolts holding the assembly in place. Once those are out, carefully pull the entire headlight assembly straight forward. It should detach from its mounting clips with a firm, steady pull. With the assembly out, it's time to install your new bulb. First, twist the old bulb counterclockwise to release it from the housing. Now, carefully insert the new headlight bulb, twisting it clockwise until it's securely seated. A crucial tip: always avoid touching the glass of the new bulb with your bare hands. Oils from your skin can significantly reduce the bulb's lifespan, so handle it by its base. Finally, let's reassemble and test. Carefully realign the headlight assembly with its mounting clips and push it firmly back into position. Reinstall and securely tighten the two 10mm bolts you removed earlier. Don't forget to reconnect the electrical connector to the new bulb. Listen for a click to ensure it's secure. Lastly, turn on your vehicle's lights to confirm your new headlight is working perfectly. Great job!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.